A massive Google leak just dropped. Gemini 3.0 might launch October 22nd. The upgrades are absolutely wild. I'm breaking down every confirmed feature, every crazy rumor, and what this means for you. This could change everything about AI. So Google just had a huge leak. And I mean huge. An internal document got out showing that Gemini 3.0 could be dropping on October 22nd. That's like a week away. And the features they're talking about, they sound insane. We're talking deeper reasoning, faster speeds, crazy multimodal stuff. But here's the thing. Some of this is confirmed. Some of this is just rumors. And today I'm going to break down exactly what's real and what's hype. Let me give you some context first. Right now, Google's main model is Gemini 2.5. That's what you're using if you're on Gemini Pro or Ultra. It's good, but it's not blowing anyone away. OpenAI has ChatGPT, Anthropic has Claude. Google needs to compete, and they know it. So they've been working on something big, and this leak, it shows they might be ready to drop it. But before we dive into the crazy stuff, let me tell you what we already know for sure. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Google already released something called Veo 3. This is their video generation model, and it's pretty sick. You can type in text, and it creates videos with audio, like real dialogue and sound effects, not just silent videos. This is available right now in the Gemini API and Google AI Studio. It's in paid preview, so developers can use it. Regular users can also generate short videos right inside the Gemini app, like 8-second clips. You just type what you want or upload an image and boom. Video, that's real, that's confirmed, that's happening today. The Gemini API changelog also shows they launched something called Veo 3.0 Generate Preview back in July 2025. So video generation is not new. But here's what's interesting. The official Gemini API docs still list Gemini 2.5 as the flagship model. There's no Gemini 3.0 listed anywhere official. Google hasn't announced it. DeepMind hasn't said anything. The only reason we know about it is this leak. And that's where things get wild. So what was in this leak? Multiple sources reported on an internal Google marketing roadmap, and it showed October 22nd as a launch date for Gemini 3.0. Now, I want to be clear, this isn't from Google's official blog. This is from leaked internal documents that journalists saw. Sites like Data Economy, Android Authority, and 36KR all covered it. They all saw the same thing, October the 22nd. That's the date. But Google could delay it. They've delayed stuff before, so take that date with a grain of salt. But the fact that multiple outlets saw this is probably real, or at least it was real at some point. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share everything that's working right now, real AI strategies, real results, no fluff. I'll put the link in the description. Now, let's talk about what Gemini 3.0 is supposed to do. This is where it gets exciting, and also where we need to separate fact from fiction. The biggest rumor is something called deep think. This is supposed to be built in reasoning. Like the model thinks through problems step by step without you having to tell it to. Right now with Gemini 2.5, you have to toggle deep think on. It's a feature. But with Gemini 3.0, the leaks say it's just baked in. The model automatically plans and reasons. It doesn't just give you the first answer. It thinks about the problem, considers different angles, then gives you the best answer. If this is true, that's huge because reasoning is what makes AI actually useful, not just fast, but smart. Another big rumor is multimodal upgrades. Gemini already handles text, images, and video, but the leaks say Gemini 3.0 will handle real-time video at 60 frames per second. It might understand 3D objects. It might work with geospatial data. Some people are even saying it could work with AR and VR, like you put on a headset and Gemini helps you in real time. Now, I don't know if all of that's true. It sounds almost too good, but Google has been investing in spatial AI. They have the tech, so maybe some of this lands, maybe not all of it. But even if they get halfway there, that's still crazy. Now, here's something that would actually change how you use AI. Longer context windows. Right now, Gemini 2.5 can handle up to 1 million tokens. That's already a lot. That's like entire books. But the leaks say Gemini 3.0 might go way higher. Multi-million tokens. What does that mean for you? It means the AI remembers more, way more. You could have a conversation that goes on for days and it won't forget what you said at the start. You could upload massive documents and it processes all of it, not just summaries, everything. For businesses, for research, that's game changing. And then there's speed. Google has new TPU chips, TPU V5P. These are their custom AI chips way faster than what they had before. The leaks say Gemini 3.0 responses could come back in under 1 second for most tasks. That's near instant. Right now, you wait a few seconds, sometimes more if it's thinking hard, but under 1 second, that makes AI feel like it's truly real time. You ask, it answers, no lag. That changes how you use it. It's not a tool you use occasionally, it becomes something you use constantly. But let's say even half of these leaks are true. Let's say Gemini 3.0 launches with built in reasoning, faster speeds, and better multimodal understanding. What does that actually mean for you? For content creators, you could generate videos with prompts, not just clips, full videos with audio, music effects. You describe what you want and it makes it. For businesses, you could have AI agents that actually run parts of your company, customer service, data analysis, marketing, not just helping you, doing it. For developers, you get an API that's cheaper and faster than anything else. You can build apps that weren't possible before. And for regular users, AI stops being a chatbot. It becomes an assistant that actually assists. It does things, it saves you time, it makes you more productive. So, what should you watch for when October 22nd comes around? First, check if Google actually announces something. If they stay quiet, the leak might have been wrong or they delayed. Second, look for the model name in the API. If you see Gemini 3.0 Pro or Gemini 3.0 Flash, it's real. Third, watch for demos. Google loves demos. If they're confident, they'll show off what it can do. Fourth, check pricing. If it's way cheaper than GPT-4, that's huge. It means you can use better AI for less money. And fifth, listen to what developers say. They'll test it immediately. They'll find the limits. They'll tell you if it's actually better or just marketing hype. Here's what I think is going to happen. I think Gemini 3.0 is real. I think it's coming soon, maybe October 22nd, maybe a bit later. I think some of these features will land, probably the reasoning stuff, probably the speed improvements, maybe some of the multimodal stuff, but I don't think it's going to be perfect. No AI launch ever is. There will be bugs, there will be limitations, and there will be features they promise that don't quite work yet. But even if it's 70% of what the leaks say, that's still a massive upgrade. That's still competition for OpenAI. And competition is good. It means better AI for everyone. Lower prices, more features, faster innovation. If you want to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share everything that's working right now, real AI strategies, real results, no fluff. I'll put the link in the description. Want to make more money with AI? Welcome to the free AI Money Lab with Julie and Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to 1,000 plus free N8N workflows, and get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. I'll give you a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You'll also get a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. The link is in the description. Join now and let's make some money with AI.